Light Pole Systems' round tapered pole repair kit repairs light poles without removing the pole or disconnecting wires, making the process safe and quick. The repair kit allows you to save money by repairing damaged light poles instead of replacing them. The repair kit can be installed in 30 minutes without the use of a crane or welder. The repair kit comes with all the hardware necessary for installation. With Light Pole Systems cone-based covers, you can hide the repair kit and make your light poles uniform. The cone-based covers can be painted to match the pole. For more information, visit lightpolesystems.com.